Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you so much again for tuning in every week. I really appreciate it. This week, you'll notice I have stickers because we're not going to review something today. We are going to make something, and I cannot wait to show you what it is. I made these, all of these, with my Cricut. If you do not have a Cricut, that is okay. You can still make this craft, and I'll show you a different way to do it. What are we making? That's a good question. We are making door hangers. Now, you know in hotels they have these door hangers and one side will say, do not disturb, I'm sleeping. And the other side will say something like, housekeeping, you can bring me more towels. I was doing my spring cleaning and I decided I needed cutesy little door hangers. So today we are going to make door hangers. I'm going to use these stickers. If you don't have the stickers, no problem. No problem at all. You can paint, you can draw, you can use whatever stickers you have, or you can even use old pieces of packaging. This was from a Barbie outfit. You could very easily cut this out or cut out the word Barbie. Even just this cool pattern here. You can use whatever you have. I'm going to use my stickers. You use whatever you have. That is the fun of crafting. I am going to use these wooden, I almost dropped it. I did drop it. Clipboard. So it's wood, but it's not wood. You get them at Michael's. So I got these. They are Creatology brand, and it's a set of 6. I do not know what I paid for these. To be honest, I picked these up to do an Encanto craft. Way back when Encanto came out, forgot about them, found them when I was doing my spring cleaning. So we are going to use them for Barbie. If you don't have these, or you can't get to Michael's, or if you just don't want to have them sitting around, you can very easily do paper ones. I have linked in the description the printable for these. So you can either just print them out or you can kind of just follow the shape and trace it out. There's also a Cricut file for these so that you can also just print them out. I am going to say if you do them on paper, they are very thin. I would take 2 pieces and glue them together. So when I cut these out, I did 1 cut with the paper down and 1 cut with the paper up so that they could connect together. And then you can either do white side out or you could do the paper side out so that you have a cool background. Completely up to you. I just use scrap paper, but whatever you prefer. And I do have both types. If you're going to do paper, this type might be better to get on and off the door. This one will eventually rip, but your choice. If you don't have a cutting machine, this one might actually be easier to cut out because you can just trace a circle, cut in the middle, and cut the circle. Totally up to you. And again, you can use whatever you want to do this because it's your room and your door. I am going to use these ones. They are clipboard, so that just means it's not a strong wood. And I have gone ahead and already painted mine. So here is mine. It's a beautiful pink. I am just going to move our stickers out of the way. I made this with a beautiful pink. I spray painted this. This is the first time I have done spray painted wood. And I used Krylon Color Max, and that is the French side. And this is Color Watermelon Gloss. You can use whatever paint you have. Acrylic paint, sure. You could even do a paper napkin and Mod Podge over top if you wanted to do for the background. Completely up to you. My thoughts on this is I'm going to put a Barbie head here, I think. And I want to put Sweet Dreams on one side and Good Morning on the other. I don't know how well this is going to work, and I may end up resorting to the paper ones. I don't know. This is a lower quality. I got these sticker paper from Dollar Tree, and then this is Sizer brand. So if you don't have those, it doesn't matter. Cut them out, glue them, stencil them, however you want to do it. But we are going to go ahead and give it a try. Let me know in the comments, do you have these cool little door hangers? Have you used them before? Do you have them anywhere? Do you remember seeing them anywhere? When is the last time you went to a hotel? Let me know, because for me, it's been a while. I have transfer tape, and if you don't know what transfer tape is, it's a clear plastic, almost like a shelf liner, that's going to remove the design from here and put it onto here. Again, totally up to you how you want to do that. If it doesn't work, I also have painter's tape. That's a good Cricut tip because it'll lift the design and put it down. I'm going to try this for the words, and I'm going to use the Dollar Tree. See how it's already cutting right through? This is why they've discontinued it. But what we're going to do is just put, I hope it picks it up. If this doesn't work, we're learning together, and it's not picking it up. It's not picking it up. Okay. Okay. Let's just peel the sticker. Let's do it like this. Okay. Okay. And we'll line it up. And you can do, like, look at how cute that is. Look at how cute that is already. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I love this. Look at that. How great is that going to look on my door? Okay, let's try Sweet Dreams and see how this goes. I think I'm going to actually need the transfer tape for this one. Bear with me because I have not done this, and it's been a while since I have done anything. I haven't done any crafting in so long. Where is my, I'm going to just give it a little scrape. The last time I did anything Cricut-wise for you guys or with you guys was the Encanto candle. And I had a lot of issues. Oh, I think I stuck this one too good. Trying, oh my gosh, to get it to stick. Do you remember that? I just could not get it to stick. So it's peeled off really, really nice here. Let's see if we can line it up here. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at how beautiful that is. Look at how beautiful that is. I am so happy. So we're going to use our little Cricut. This is our little Cricut scraper. If you don't have this, you could use pretty much anything. Now let's see, is it going to, oh, it's not going to stick. It's not sticking. That is my fear. Because I used spray paint, I don't know if it's going to, I don't know. I have heard people say when you put, oh my goodness, anything onto wood, you should be using iron-on transfer as opposed to peel and stick. So if you are new to Cricut or you don't have a Cricut, I'm going to say painting might be the easiest. Oh, we did it! Solution. I cut this a little big. Guys, look at that. Oh my goodness. I am in love. I think, ooh, I'm moving everything. Ah, if I were to do this again, I might make the words a bit darker. But I love this. Okay, all right, let's do the other side. This one, you know how here I had the D that didn't come off? I am actually afraid that these three little lines aren't going to fit. Let's flip it over. This is, I am so happy with this. I'm going to use my brayer tool this time and just roll it. And I'm sorry for the shaky camera, but let's see. Tell me in the comments, do you have a Cricut or a Silhouette or any type of cutting machine? Or are you going to do this craft manually? Are you going to paint it? What are you going? Oh my gosh, look how good that looks. What are you going to do? And are you going to do these Barbie heads? Now to find the words, I got these from Creative Fabrica or Fabrica. I don't know how you say that. Do you know how to say that? And they were under the free SVGs. And this, I just Googled a Barbie head because I wanted it to be a Barbie-inspired craft and not just, you know, look at my door hanger. I wanted it to actually say Barbie. Oh my gosh. Are you going to do this manually? Are you going to use the paper? Think of how much fun this would be if you're having a Barbie birthday party. How great. Oh, look, it's peeling off. It's not sticking. How great this would be. Maybe not the wooden ones, maybe the paper ones to do. Ah, we got it. Amazing. How great would this be to do at a Barbie birthday party. Could you imagine? You could have all of the little kids, all they don't even have to be little, all of the invitees, because here I am and I would do this craft too. And they could do their own Barbie-inspired. Let's use the transfer tape for this one too. Let's just see how it sticks, because this Dollar Tree stuff, I mean, I know it's being discontinued, and there's a reason why. It does not stick at all. If I push this way, maybe. I'm so sorry for... Yeah, look, it's not coming up. It is not coming up. So we will just peel it like a sticker. This would be so great for a kid's party. This would be such a fun activity. And then at the end of the party, everyone gets to take home their creation. Oh, and then there's your loot bag. Okay, it is sticking to my hands. No. Okay, if we move it over to here... We don't have to cut off any of her head. Unbelievable. Okay, I measured that actually pretty well then. So now, look at how easy that was. Look at how easy that was. And I mean, you could stencil it if you had artistic talent, or even if you don't, you could use paint pens. You can use any type of whatever you want. And then, oh my goodness, paint pens, glitter, stickers. You don't even have to do Barbie. Whatever stickers you have, use extra packaging, whatever you want. But look at how great this looks. And again, for a birthday party, you get them all lined up at a crafting table, and then they get to take home their own door hanger. And instead of plastic garbage or extra stuff, this is something they can put on their door. So we have Good Morning with a silhouette of a Barbie-like doll, because this is inspired by Barbie. And then on the back, we have Sweet Dreams. So when you go to sleep, you flip it to Good Night. And then when you wake up, you flip it to Good Morning. I absolutely love this. And this was, other than the painting time, because I did not have good weather, so it took me a while to paint it. I love it. I love it so much. Let me know in the comments, are you going to make the paper version? Or are you going to try to find the wooden version? And then, do you have a Cricut to cut this out, or a cutting machine? Or are you going to do it the fun way and just do everything with markers?